have in fact started working. It's been a month. We have resumed our shoots. So I was missing my set, missing the camera for a really long time. But nevertheless, it was a question and it was a situation of survival. So I just kept quite shut down, and I was sitting at home, trying to rediscover myself, and trying to engage myself in something or the other. And now that I've started, we have resumed with our shoots. But of course, I think COVID is like a background music which keeps playing and you can't avoid it.
Right.
So, and at the same time, we don't want to compromise with the work that we do. So it's a balance that we are creating by maintaining safety, distance, and as well as not compromising on the work and the thing that we do. See, I was too apprehensive at first, but later on I realized that the show must go on. And the fact that we have our temperature checks every day, we have our oxygen level checks every day, and a good thing is that my crew has been stalled on the set. It's been almost a month or two that they have been kept on the set. So
Right.
there is no point of traveling for them. It's only the director, DOP, and the actors who are traveling. So I think the probability is lesser, but of course we can't take these things for granted. So the medical checkups are been done every day, whereas the temperatures or the oxygen levels are concerned. But you can't really escape the fear, yeah. So but at the end of the day, the show must go on, and I feel extremely grateful that I have something to do, because we see a lot of people losing their jobs, and you know people are going through a miserable time. So I am grateful, but at the same time I do take precautionary measures. We have been working on that. It's not been an easy ride for sure. And the fact that I have never, forget the audience. I have never imagined myself to do something of this sort, something which is so realistic, so hard hitting. It was like a reality check for me. It was like a bubble which bursted, because I think before Flash, or before few films that I saw, I did have an idea about what human trafficking is, and how do these things function. But to eventually get into it, to get into that whole world where you are supposed to portray someone who's been abducted, been who eventually has to see a lot of gruesome pictures and go through a lot of stuff which I can't be talking about. I mean, I might just reveal too much.
Right.
But it was a difficult process, to be honest, Imran, because, as an actor, I do that. And since this was my debut on OTT, I wanted to give it my 500%. I wanted to, get vulnerable with my character. And I did attach myself with it. I did get Zoya back home, which one shouldn't, because I became too vulnerable with her. I was too zapped with, oh, acha, ye bhi hota hai. I was exposed to the gruesome world, and I think this is the beauty of being an actor. You get to represent the society. You get to represent things people that you never thought of. And the fact that things are so hard hitting and on point, there is no filter to the show,
Correct.
which makes it more real
Mhm.
and difficult to watch,
All right.
which made more difficult for me to convince myself ki kya main ye kar sakti hu, will I be able to pull this off. I had a difficult time convincing my mother that, mom, this show has a lot of things to showcase. Will you allow me to do so? But I think I had faith in me that, as an actor, मैं एक ही तरह का काम नहीं कर सकती. I have to challenge myself as a performer. I have to challenge myself as an actor, and I think nothing better than Flesh would have done that for me. So I think मैंने बहुत ज्यादा सोचा, but at the same time बिल्कुल नहीं सोचा that मुझे ये करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए. And the fact that it's such a power packed amazing team. See, I'll tell you the major difference from a TV set to any other set that we are exposed to. There are no time constraints. There is ऐसा नहीं होता है कि अच्छा हमें budget deliver करना ही है. Also, the preparations for any actor happens much before. Whereas on a TV set, because it's an on and off process, because हमें पता चलता है कि अच्छा कल क्या करना है, ये हमें उसी दिन पता चल रहा है. So we get less time to prepare ourselves. There are a lot of time constraints that we have this target that आज इतने scenes होने ही हैं because the demand is such, and the timelines are such. But I think when it comes to OTT or any other platforms, especially when I saw here, the scripts were given to us much before. We got time to prepare ourselves. We got time to, to know how are we going to go about this. And the taking is different. The approach is different, But one thing is for sure that remains the constant is the camera and me. I performed my, my scenes and my character with the same honesty that I have on any set. So that difference was nothing for me. But of course, to talk about the ensemble cast and an even great team, I think my writer Pooja Lata Surti she's kick-ass. I mean, I don't even have to talk about her work. She's written stuff like Andhadhun and Phobia and Badlapur, right. And now this, Flesh is, it does reflect and depict human trafficking, but at the same time the screenplay is so tight and it's like the edge of the seat drum. The moment you watch this was my reaction when I saw the trailer. I myself was zapped ki kab shuru ho raha hai show, mujhe dekhna hai. Because the writing was so tight. There are complex characters, layered characters, and a very twisted screenplay. The trailer itself shows that this is not just a trafficking story. There is something more to it. Correct. And then when Akshay's character comes in the trailer, you are like, who's this maniac? Because the characters, like I said, are so complex and layered and twisted, and so is the screenplay. And I think this is the special thing about Flesh, that yes, it does talk about the salacious world, but there is more to it. Correct. And then of course the cop, Swara, she has her own way of getting through this girl, and yeah, so it's a bang on story and a power packed team. And to talk more about the process, I literally had 4 shades darker makeup on. The glam look, and yeah, so it was a crazy journey. It was a crazy process, and I can't wait for everybody to watch it. I think OTT has been the game changer, and it's getting there for the greater good. I think 5-6 साल पहले we've never even thought कि ऐसा कुछ content OTT या फिर हम कभी देख पाएंगे TV पर, where there are a performance, or the stories are so real. It's almost like the representation of the world, of the society, and we never thought that we'll ever be able to crack that. And I think this is what differentiates OTT from TV, or OTT from films or Bollywood, is that we can show whatever we want to. There is freedom, there is more freedom, and of course OTT is more diverse as it is exposed to it is exposed globally than regionally. So the reach is great. It's kick-ass. And then we have such great content coming on all these OTT platforms that there is scope for more talent. There is scope for more like people again. अगर एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री की भी बात करें तो जॉब्स बढ़ रहे हैं, एक्टर्स को अपने परफॉर्मेंस शोकेस करने का मौका मिल रहा है, राइटर्स कैन राइट द हेल दैट दे कैन राइट. सो देयर आर दीज writers, producers that are collaborating and stuff like. I think the change is great, and we always talk about balancing the commercial and the unconventional stuff. So this is the platform where you can get out and out unconventional, and at the same time we do have like funny family drama, but here there is a scope of showing whatever you want. So there's more scope of good content and realistic and authentic content for that matter. So I think OTT is the new game changer, and I would love to explore. I would love to explore this whole medium. See, I think when it comes to talking about differentiating, I think this was always there. It's not something which has happened out of the blue, and it's important to minimize that line between an insider and an outsider. And I think we are getting there, but it's not an easy job to minimize that line at the same time, right? अगर कुछ एक कल्चर मेंटेन होते आ रहा है इतने सालों से, तो उसे मिटाने के लिए कुछ ना कुछ वक्त तो लगेगा ही. So I think it's that, and I just hope that we have, I am an outsider too. We get more opportunities, and we get what we deserve. So I think it's all cool, and I think वो जो एक है ना, वो एक differentiation या फिर वो एक जो line है, वो कम होने के लिए वक्त लगेगा, but I think we are towards that. This is my take on it.